Hello there, I'm Ryan Chan, founder and CEO of UpKeep. In this video, we'll take a fascinating journey into the future of maintenance. We'll explore the extraordinary potential of the fourth industrial revolution, or Industry 4.0, for reshaping the maintenance landscape. We'll touch on everything from lights-out factories to the rise of automation, the role of artificial intelligence, and the revolutionary impact of the Internet of Things. And you'll gain insights into the vast untapped opportunities that lie ahead in our increasingly digitized world. So, let's get started. Welcome to the future of maintenance, where technology and innovation blend to revolutionize industries worldwide. Imagine a world where factories operate in complete darkness, without human intervention. In Japan, a company called Fanuc has been running a lights-out factory since 2001, where robots build other robots at an astonishing rate of 50 per day. This shift has dramatically reduced the human workforce from 650 to just 60 workers. The potential for automation extends far beyond manufacturing. The McKinsey Global Institute reports that robotics and artificial intelligence could automate at least 30% of activities in about 60% of occupations in countries like the United States and Germany. Even the automotive industry is on board, with companies like Tesla integrating AI into their autonomous vehicles. But what about safety? Through the Internet of Things, machines can communicate, reacting to issues in real time, enhancing public safety in sectors like construction. This technology allows for precise monitoring and improvement of infrastructure, making our cities safer. Despite these advancements, the full potential of Industry 4.0 has yet to be tapped. With manufacturing still low in digitization, there's a vast opportunity for further automation and software-led improvements. Now, let's explore how automation is already benefiting maintenance workers, from high-risk environments to routine tasks. For instance, offshore drilling sites now use drones for inspections previously performed by humans at great heights. Similarly, in membrane manufacturing, quality control has shifted from manual inspections to automated laser cameras, freeing up human workers for more creative tasks. However, not all jobs can or should be automated. Many maintenance tasks involve complex decision-making that is difficult to program into a machine. These roles rely on human senses and experience, which are hard to replicate with technology. Looking to the future, the synergy between data scientists and machine operators will be crucial. As we move from reactive to proactive maintenance roles, today's mechanics will evolve into reliability engineers, using data to predict and prevent equipment failures. This transformation isn't just about improving business operations. It's about making the world a safer and more sustainable place. From reducing airplane crashes to lowering the cost of goods and improving food safety, the benefits of advanced maintenance technologies are far-reaching. So, are you ready to step up and become the hero the world needs? The future of maintenance is here, and it's time to embrace the revolution for a smarter, safer, and more efficient world. Thank you for watching this video. We've explored the future of maintenance, the potential of Industry 4.0, the rise of automation, and the role of artificial intelligence. If you found this content valuable, please subscribe to our channel for more insights. To learn more about how UpKeep is revolutionizing maintenance, visit our website at upkeep.com.